Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common and often frustrating condition that affects millions of men worldwide. While it can have various causes, including psychological factors, underlying health conditions, and certain medications, one key factor in maintaining a healthy erection is the production of nitric oxide, NO, in the body. Nitric oxide is a gas that plays a crucial role in the relaxation of smooth muscle cells in the penis, allowing for increased blood flow and the subsequent erection. When nitric oxide levels are insufficient, it can lead to difficulties in achieving or maintaining an erection, contributing to erectile dysfunction. The importance of nitric oxide in maintaining a healthy erection. The process of achieving an erection involves a complex interplay of various physiological mechanisms. Nitric oxide is a key player in this process, as it triggers a cascade of events that ultimately lead to the relaxation of the smooth muscle cells lining the blood vessels in the penis. When nitric oxide is released, it activates an enzyme called guanylate cyclase, which in turn increases the levels of a molecule called cyclic guanosine monophosphate, CGMP. CGMP acts as a messenger, signaling the smooth muscle cells to relax, allowing for increased blood flow into the penis. As blood flows into the spongy erectile tissue, corpora cavernosa, of the penis, it becomes engorged, resulting in an erection. Conversely, when nitric oxide levels are low, the smooth muscle cells remain constricted, restricting blood flow and making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Scientifically proven ways to boost nitric oxide levels naturally. While there are various medications available to treat erectile dysfunction, many men prefer to explore natural and holistic approaches to boosting their nitric oxide levels and improving their sexual health. Here are 7 scientifically proven ways to increase nitric oxide production naturally. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity, particularly aerobic exercises like walking, running, cycling, or swimming, has been shown to increase nitric oxide production in the body. Exercise promotes the release of nitric oxide from the endothelial cells lining the blood vessels, improving blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Eat a nitric oxide boosting diet. Certain foods are rich in nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. These include leafy green vegetables like spinach, arugula, and beet greens, as well as beets, pomegranates, and citrus fruits. Incorporating these nitrate-rich foods into your diet can help increase nitric oxide levels and support healthy erectile function. Consume foods rich in L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that serves as a precursor to nitric oxide production in the body. Foods like nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains are good sources of L-arginine and can help boost nitric oxide levels when consumed regularly. Take nitric oxide supplements. Certain supplements, such as L-arginine, L-citrulline, and nitric oxide boosters, can help increase nitric oxide production in the body. These supplements work by providing the necessary precursors or by directly increasing nitric oxide levels through various mechanisms. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to decreased nitric oxide production and impaired erectile function. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or seeking professional counseling can help manage stress levels and support healthy nitric oxide production. Get adequate sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in overall health, including sexual function. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance and impair nitric oxide production, leading to erectile difficulties. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal nitric oxide levels and overall sexual health. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity and excess body weight can contribute to various health issues, including erectile dysfunction. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help improve nitric oxide production and overall cardiovascular health, supporting better erectile function. By incorporating these scientifically proven strategies into your lifestyle, you can naturally boost your nitric oxide levels and potentially improve your sexual health and performance. The role of exercise in improving nitric oxide production. Exercise is a powerful tool for boosting nitric oxide production and supporting overall cardiovascular health, which is essential for maintaining healthy erectile function. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase the release of nitric oxide from the endothelial cells lining the blood vessels, promoting vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, and improved blood flow. During exercise, the increased demand for oxygen and nutrients in the working muscles triggers the release of nitric oxide, which helps dilate the blood vessels and facilitate the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. This process also benefits other areas of the body, including the penis, by improving overall blood flow. Additionally, exercise has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can impair nitric oxide production and contribute to erectile dysfunction. By reducing these factors, exercise helps maintain a healthy environment for nitric oxide synthesis and function. It's important to note that different types of exercise may have varying effects on nitric oxide production. Aerobic exercises, such as running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking, have been particularly effective in increasing nitric oxide levels. However, resistance training and other forms of exercise can also contribute to overall cardiovascular health and support nitric oxide production. To maximize the benefits of exercise for nitric oxide production and erectile function, it's recommended to engage in a combination of aerobic and resistance training exercises regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with 2 or more days of strength training targeting major muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Maintaining a regular exercise routine can help sustain the benefits of increased nitric oxide production and support long-term sexual health and performance. The impact of diet and nutrition on nitric oxide levels. Diet and nutrition play a crucial role in maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels and supporting optimal erectile function. Certain foods and nutrients can directly or indirectly influence nitric oxide production in the body, making dietary choices an essential factor in managing erectile dysfunction. Nitrate-rich foods. Nitrates are compounds found in various plant-based foods that can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, arugula, and beet greens, are particularly rich in nitrates. Other nitrate-rich foods include beets, pomegranates, and citrus fruits. By incorporating these nitrate-rich foods into your diet, you can provide the body with the necessary precursors for nitric oxide production, potentially improving blood flow and supporting healthy erectile function. L-arginine and L-citrulline. L-arginine is an amino acid that serves as a direct precursor for nitric oxide synthesis in the body. Foods rich in L-arginine include nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Consuming a diet rich in these foods can help boost nitric oxide levels and support erectile function. Additionally, L-citrulline, another amino acid, can be converted into L-arginine in the body, further supporting nitric oxide production. Watermelon is a good source of L-citrulline and can be a beneficial addition to a nitric oxide boosting diet. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods. Oxidative stress and inflammation can impair nitric oxide production and contribute to erectile dysfunction. To counteract these effects, it's important to consume a diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Foods like berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and spices like turmeric and ginger are excellent sources of antioxidants and can help reduce oxidative stress. Additionally, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties and may support nitric oxide production. Hydration and fluid intake. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining optimal blood flow and supporting nitric oxide production. Dehydration can lead to decreased blood volume and impaired circulation, potentially contributing to erectile difficulties. Aim to consume plenty of fluids throughout the day, including water, herbal teas, and hydrating fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumbers, and tomatoes. By incorporating a variety of nitrate-rich, antioxidant-rich, and anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, along with adequate hydration, you can support healthy nitric oxide levels and potentially improve your overall sexual health and performance. Supplements that can enhance nitric oxide production. While a balanced diet and lifestyle changes are often the first line of defense against erectile dysfunction, some individuals may benefit from incorporating supplements that can enhance nitric oxide production. Here are some popular supplements that have been shown to support nitric oxide levels. L-arginine supplements. As mentioned earlier, L-arginine is an amino acid that serves as a precursor for nitric oxide production in the body. Supplementing with L-arginine can help increase nitric oxide levels, potentially improving blood flow and supporting healthy erectile function. Typical dosages range from 1-3 grams per day, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. L-citrulline supplements. L-citrulline is another amino acid that can be converted into L-arginine in the body, indirectly supporting nitric oxide production. Supplementing with L-citrulline may be more effective than L-arginine alone, as it can bypass certain metabolic pathways and increase L-arginine availability more efficiently. Recommended dosages range from 1-3 grams per day, but it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Nitric oxide boosters. There are various supplements on the market that are specifically formulated to boost nitric oxide production. These supplements often contain a combination of ingredients like L-arginine, L-citrulline, and other plant-based compounds that support nitric oxide synthesis. It's important to carefully read the ingredient labels and follow the recommended dosages for these supplements. Pine bark extract, pycnogenol. Pine bark extract is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to improve nitric oxide production and support healthy blood flow, It can help protect nitric oxide from degradation and enhance its bioavailability in the body. Typical dosages range from 100,200 mg per day, but it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Ginseng. Ginseng, particularly Korean red ginseng, has been traditionally used to support male sexual health and has been shown to improve nitric oxide production. It may work by increasing the activity of enzymes involved in nitric oxide synthesis and reducing oxidative stress. Recommended dosages vary depending on the specific ginseng product, so it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions. It's important to note that while these supplements can be beneficial for some individuals, they should not be used as a substitute for a healthy lifestyle and proper medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, it's crucial to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands and follow the recommended dosages to avoid potential adverse effects or interactions. Lifestyle changes to support nitric oxide production and erectile function. While diet, exercise, and supplements can play a significant role in boosting nitric oxide levels, making lifestyle changes can also contribute to overall sexual health and support healthy erectile function. Here are some lifestyle modifications to consider. Quit smoking and avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake can impair nitric oxide production and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol consumption can help improve blood flow and support healthy nitric oxide levels. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to decreased nitric oxide production and impaired erectile function. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or seeking professional counseling can help manage stress levels and support healthy nitric oxide production. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity and excess body weight can contribute to various health issues, including erectile dysfunction. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help improve nitric oxide production and overall cardiovascular health, supporting better erectile function. Get adequate sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in overall health, including sexual function. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance and impair nitric oxide production, leading to erectile difficulties. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal nitric oxide levels and overall sexual health. Practice pelvic floor exercises. Pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegel exercises, can help strengthen the muscles involved in achieving and maintaining an erection. These exercises can improve blood flow to the pelvic region and support healthy erectile function. Manage underlying health conditions. Certain health conditions, such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and high blood pressure, can contribute to erectile dysfunction by impairing nitric oxide production and blood flow. Working closely with your healthcare provider to manage these conditions can help improve overall health and support better erectile function. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, you can create an environment that supports healthy nitric oxide production and overall sexual health. It's important to remember that making sustainable lifestyle modifications takes time and commitment, but the benefits can be significant in terms of improving erectile function and overall well-being. The connection between stress and nitric oxide levels. Stress is a common factor that can significantly impact nitric oxide production and contribute to erectile dysfunction. When the body experiences chronic stress, it triggers a cascade of physiological responses that can disrupt the delicate balance of nitric oxide synthesis and utilization. The impact of stress on nitric oxide production. Increased oxidative stress. Chronic stress can lead to an increase in oxidative stress, which can damage and inactivate nitric oxide in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them through antioxidants. Inflammation. Stress can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, which can impair the function of endothelial cells responsible for producing nitric oxide. Inflammation can also contribute to the breakdown of nitric oxide, reducing its bioavailability. Hormonal imbalances. Stress can disrupt the normal production and balance of hormones, such as testosterone, which play a crucial role in sexual function and nitric oxide production. Imbalances in these hormones can lead to decreased nitric oxide synthesis and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Vasoconstriction. Stress can cause the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can lead to vasoconstriction, narrowing of blood vessels. This vasoconstriction can reduce blood flow and impair the delivery of nitric oxide to the penile tissues, making it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection. Managing stress for better nitric oxide production. To support healthy nitric oxide levels and improve erectile function, it's essential to implement effective stress management strategies. Here are some tips. Practice relaxation techniques. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or progressive muscle relaxation to help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity has been shown to reduce stress levels and improve overall cardiovascular health, including nitric oxide production. Seek counseling or therapy. If stress is related to psychological factors or life events, seeking professional counseling or therapy can provide valuable coping strategies and support. Prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that bring you joy, relaxation, and a sense of fulfillment, such as hobbies, socializing with loved ones, or practicing mindfulness. Improve time management. Effective time management can help reduce feelings of overwhelm and stress by allowing you to prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. By actively managing stress levels, you can create an environment that supports healthy nitric oxide production and overall sexual health. Remember, stress management is an ongoing process, and it may take time to find the strategies that work best for you. The role of sleep in maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including sexual function and nitric oxide production. Adequate sleep is essential for various physiological processes, and a lack of quality sleep can have detrimental effects on nitric oxide levels and erectile function. The impact of sleep on nitric oxide production. Hormonal regulation. Sleep is essential for the proper regulation of hormones, including testosterone, which plays a key role in sexual function and nitric oxide production. Insufficient sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to decreased testosterone levels and impaired nitric oxide synthesis. Oxidative stress and inflammation. Sleep deprivation can contribute to increased oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These processes can impair nitric oxide production and bioavailability, potentially contributing to erectile dysfunction. Endothelial function. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and function of the endothelial cells lining the blood vessels. Endothelial dysfunction, which can be exacerbated by sleep deprivation, can impair nitric oxide production and lead to reduced blood flow, affecting erectile function. Optimizing sleep for better nitric oxide levels. To support healthy nitric oxide production and overall sexual health, it's essential to prioritize quality sleep. Here are some tips for improving your sleep. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Ensure that your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and keep the room temperature cool and comfortable. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in relaxing activities before bed, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, practicing gentle stretches, or listening to calming music. Avoid stimulating activities like watching TV, using electronic devices, or working close to bedtime. Manage stress and anxiety. Implement stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling to help calm the mind and promote better sleep. Seek professional help if stress or anxiety is significantly impacting your sleep quality. Avoid caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can disrupt sleep, so it's best to avoid it in the late afternoon and evening. While alcohol may initially help you fall asleep, it can disrupt sleep quality and lead to frequent awakenings during the night. By prioritizing quality sleep and implementing healthy sleep habits, you can support optimal nitric oxide production and overall sexual health. Remember, good sleep is essential for overall well-being and can have far-reaching benefits beyond just improving erectile function. Conclusion: taking control of your sexual health through nitric oxide optimization. Maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels is crucial for supporting optimal sexual function and preventing or managing erectile dysfunction. By understanding the scientific principles behind nitric oxide production and implementing a comprehensive approach, you can take control of your sexual health and potentially improve your overall quality of life. Throughout this video, we have explored various scientifically proven strategies to boost nitric oxide levels naturally, including engaging in regular exercise, particularly aerobic activities, consuming a diet rich in nitrate-rich foods, L-arginine, and antioxidants, incorporating supplements like L-arginine, L-citrulline, and nitric oxide boosters, implementing lifestyle changes such as stress management, weight maintenance, and adequate sleep. By combining these strategies, you can create a holistic plan tailored to your individual needs and preferences, addressing the multifaceted factors that contribute to nitric oxide production and erectile function. It's important to remember that while these natural approaches can be highly effective, they should not be used as a substitute for proper medical treatment.